Today is day 14 of Spin the Motherfucking Wheel. Now, I know I've been gone for a little minute. I know we skipped a couple of days. I'm not gonna lie, I had to take a little break off this just to, focus on some more shit, right? So, but we're back with this shit. We're back in motion. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So, we're down to a couple of viruses. I'm gonna add more later tonight. But yeah, we're just gonna see who the fuck we get. Okay, FAKEMINK. Now this is kind of a good one. I really, fuck with his little nostalgic, type of vibe. I think that would be really sick to go ahead and, go ahead and work with. I'm gonna take this shit off. Alright, so I kind of want to go for something like this. Obviously not like directly the same shit, but this kind of like vibe, the whole nostalgic. I'm not really too sure what era this is. Maybe like 2015 Instagram era, just like the shit that was on there. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead, we're gonna make something like this and it should come out fire, so we're gonna have a black background here for this, and we're just gonna use these pictures that I got. Probably really just use them purple ones. I think that's kind of like the whole vibe I want to go for, but we'll just go through them and see. Also, if we can recreate the purple vibe and then put them back in, I think that would be really sick. And then yeah, we can just base it off that. So yeah, I'm gonna use this like base image here, and we're just gonna go ahead and try to basically recreate that whole purple like lighting effect, where it's like shitty ass quality, it's like noisy, all that shit. So yeah, I think the easiest way to do that is to get a gradient map and then put like purple on there. It's like a deep purple, maybe like a pink too, like that. And then if we put that to like linear dodge, you can get this like cool tone. Maybe we need to make it darker, but the goal is to make like the skin color to still be there, if that makes sense. So some shit like that is pretty like spot on. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and kind of just make a whole cover based on this whole style. And yeah, just try to get that fucking sick ass nostalgic ass look. So we're just gonna drag this all the way up just so we can go to the images, kind of like bring them all together. So we'll cut this picture out and we'll just make a big collage just full of all these images. I like this right here, so I kind of want to make like maybe like a texture from his shorts or whatever. It's a fire fucking pic. We could also use this as like the main. Well, we have this there, and then we put to like linear dodge or some shit like that to make a layer mask, and we just erase like all this shit right here. Just kind of keep that texture. Really all I want from it. Like, this does not be perfect. I think the best way to go about this is to like try and be ass. I think that's the best way to go for this shit, but it's not like ass in a bad way. It's like ass in a intentional, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Well, if we make them fade out a little bit like this, just do like 2015 type of effect spray. What if I look up on Pinterest like 2015 Photoshop? Like this shit right here, like this actually kind of like what I'm looking to get. So some shit like that, we're obviously gonna go and get all this effects and shit like that. But yeah, let's go ahead, and I think this is coming out pretty decent already. Like, we didn't even do shit yet, but we'll get there. Have him like floating maybe, some shit like this. And then, oh, this is actually a cool little pic right here. We can go ahead and grab the lasso tool, then maybe like a little cutout like this, like an imperfect kind of like cutout. Just kind of get rid of that watermark there. I don't really want that in there. Just get like this. Or if you flip horizontal, put it right here. I want to get rid of this though. right like that. But yeah, we'll have this there. We can erase like right here, have them like this, just create some random ass shit. See the other pics. This could be cool in the background, maybe like this. What if we just, oh, what if we texture this background? So if we just have it like that, then we put this to lighter color, and then we just create a little layer mask. We get rid of this, and now we have this like light leak effect, which is pretty cool. We can bring this all the way up, to be honest, like that. Keep it all around here. Put the linear dodge just so it's all around the image. We could also keep that like that. Ooh, some shit like that. That's pretty nice. I fuck with it. I fuck with that. I fuck with that. I think this is pretty cool. It's coming out really, really nice. Now we still have this image we haven't used. We could remove the background and that. Have it maybe in the middle. Boom. Little headshot. Yeah, we'll do the same with soft brush. Just kind of like erase it. Just to give it this like effect here. I mean, it's decent. It's kind of good. I don't know if I'm super happy with it, but kind of good. I kind of fuck with it. Maybe have this here, put like overlay, and then we erase some parts here, like so. Maybe keep it darker up there. And now I'm gonna merge all this shit together, and I want to basically get, so I'm gonna put this to a smart object, and I want to get that like grainy kind of look. So I'm gonna go to noise. We'll try add noise, and then uncheck monochromatic. We'll try and get that noisy kind of look. I think maybe we have to make a separate like layer. So we'll go to the adjustments here. We'll go to solid color, put that shit to gray, like a 50-50 gray. Go to noise again, add noise, convert, and we'll do like 50 maybe, some shit like that. We'll mess around with all these. Soft light is usually like the best. In my opinion, my humble personal opinion, I feel like soft light is usually the best for this type of shit. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and duplicate this. We might just do a little, you know, I always get the urge to do this, you know, just little glow here, I guess you could call it. So basically you just want to flip it horizontal, duplicate, flip horizontal, and scale up. That's all I really do with this for this kind of effect, or this look, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, pretty decent look. Have his eye light come out like that. Little Easter egg. I know you guys will see, but fuck it. But yeah, that's pretty much like a FAKEMINK kind of cover. Let's get it up a bit. Not really too much to add to this. I'm gonna try and see if there's anything in my ultimate adjustment pack to kind of like bring this shit out. If you guys do want to go ahead and check it out, make sure you guys go down below to the website. I'm running a BOGO all month until the 1st of January, so make sure you guys lock in. Yeah, so I like either dark neutral or faded. Like one of these are pretty nice. Kind of fuck with it, I'm not gonna lie. What we could do as well is we could like stretch it down like this, and then we could have like these covers up here going like this, and we can make this like line effect where you just like stack them against each other. Some shit like that I think would look pretty decent. Kind of like in his London Savior cover art. Got it up a little bit. But like right there. I mean, that's kind of nice. That's kind of cool. I kind of fuck with that. You could bring it up above. Just looks like that. I kind of fuck with that. That's kind of cool, bro. Let me know if you guys fuck with that. Now I'm gonna put the parental advisory on there. So we got the parental advisory in there. You know, the retro one. Boom. Put that shit there. I think this came out pretty nice. I really fuck with this whole vibe, whole aesthetic. You know, this one of my, hey, it's up there, bro. It's up there. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this motherfucking video, I'm sorry for the whole delay, especially for the motherfuckers who are actually watching this shit and who are actually looking forward to it, bro. I appreciate you guys so motherfucking much. But yeah, make sure you guys join the Discord. Hey, bro, make sure you guys join the motherfucking Discord. But yeah, we're gonna be finishing this whole 31 days Turbo Artist series. It's gonna lead into 2024 or 2026. What the fuck? It's gonna lead into 2026 because hey, I took a few days off, but we're back. We're into the motherfucking groove, okay? And yeah, peace out, motherfucker.